All right, let's talk about themes and plugins. I know we already talked about them in the previous lessons, but now our all focus will be on those two things. All right, so let's go to themes right here. And as you can see in this page, we can see all the themes that are installed on our website. Basically, themes are responsible for the design part of your website. So different themes have different customization options. With various themes, you can achieve different looks and so on. In this course, I will show you the methods, the themes I use myself, the proven themes that you can trust and that are fast loading. But again, it is important for you to know what themes are, where you can find them, because maybe in the future you will decide that you want to update your website and you want to change the theme. So you would know where to look for themes and you would know what are themes responsible for. So right here, as you can see, we have this theme active. All right, this is how our website looks when this theme is active. So for example, if I would go to the homepage of our website, I'm just gonna open this in a new tab. As you can see, this is how our website looks. I know it doesn't make much sense because this is the default website, but basically you can understand that this is the design of this website. This is how it looks, and it only looks this way because this website, this WordPress website, is using this theme. Of course, you can do customization options, but right now this is how the default version of this theme looks. If we would choose this theme, let's say if we would click right here, live preview, as you can see, this is how our website would look with this theme active. Of course, we can change the content, we can add our images, we can add our blog posts, products, and anything like that. But the default version of this theme would look this way. So as you can see, it's kind of different looking website, but it still doesn't look too good. All right, since we are not going to use this theme, we can close it right here. All right, so if you would want to add a new theme, you would have to go right here, add new theme. And as you can see, we have loads of themes available. We have over 5,000 themes that you can use on your WordPress website. Usually themes for e-commerce websites are in different category because e-commerce themes are more customizable. Themes for blogs and business websites are a bit more simple. But if you're looking for themes and you want to go through the list of all those themes, you can even use filters right here, what type of themes you're looking for. And yeah, you can use those filters. If we would go back, you could use search to look for certain themes. Again, it's up to you if you would like to use themes, but in this course I will show you the themes I use myself that are proven, but it is important for you to know where you can find themes. So this is one place where you can find themes. Usually all themes right here are freemium, so that means they have free and paid versions. And usually with free versions, you don't have a lot of customization options and you will not be able to create a truly unique looking website. So you will need to purchase a paid version, and usually themes that are right here, usually those themes cost around $60 per year. So you will have to pay each year for a premium theme from this list. Of course, it doesn't apply to all the themes right here, but most of these themes, they have such two options where they have free and premium version. There's another place where I like to buy my premium themes, and it is a completely other website. So I'm just gonna go to this website to show you how it looks. This is the place where I like to get my premium themes. So for example, if I would go to WordPress tab right here and I would click popular items, you'll find popular themes. So for example, if I'm gonna open this theme, as you can see, this theme gonna cost you $69. But the best part is with all the themes that are here on this website, they only with one-time fee. So they only come with one-time fee. You only need to pay for those themes once, and basically those themes belong to you. You will not need to pay every year $69. So it's just one-time fee. All right. So this is the other place where you can look for those themes, and those themes that are right here on this website cannot be found here. And if you want to add this theme, you will need to upload once you purchase that theme, and you will need to upload the file right here, this theme, and you will need to install that theme. It doesn't necessarily mean that you will go and use those other themes right away, but like I said, it is important for you to know what are themes, how to use them, what options are available, and it's just good to know that you're gonna have more options in the future. Alright, so themes are responsible for the design part of your website. Now let's talk about plugins. Alright, let's go to plugins. And as you can see right now, we have two plugins active. So like I told you, this plugin is responsible for speeding up our website, and this plugin is responsible for adding extra layer of security to our website. So basically, plugins are responsible for adding new features to your website. Even if you're gonna want to add an e-commerce feature to your website, you're gonna need to install a plugin that is called WooCommerce. So to install a new plugin, you will need to go right here. And as you can see right here, there are plenty of plugins available for adding various different features to your website. Of course, in the future, maybe you're gonna decide that you want to add some other feature to your website, and this feature wasn't shown in this course. Maybe you'll want to do some changes. You can use various plugins. So there are plenty of plugins available for various of different features, and you can basically use search to look for those plugins. And of course, if you would go to this website, there are such plugins right here as well. And just like with themes, those plugins are in two versions. So they come with a free version and premium version. And usually premium version will cost you, of course, it's gonna cost you less than a theme. In some cases, it might cost similar to a theme fee. But yeah, those plugins right here, they might cost you on the early basis. You might need to pay on the early basis for premium plugins. But if you would purchase plugins from here, again, you would own those plugins basically. Alright, so plugins are responsible for adding various features to your website. And in this course, we're not gonna use paid plugins because we can easily set up a good looking, a professional looking, a functional website even without using premium plugins. So probably now you understand what plugins are used for. And of course, it is important to note that if you're looking for certain feature to add a feature to your website, let's say to add forms to your website, so your visitors would be able to use those forms and they could leave you messages, then of course it doesn't mean that there's only one plugin responsible for this feature. There are plenty of plugins for the same feature available. So for example, if I would type a keyword forms, as you can see, we have a lot of different versions available. We have over 1,000 plugins available for this particular feature of adding contact forms to your website. So it's similar to phone apps. There are plenty of apps for various different features. Alright, so now we can close those two tabs, I believe. And probably now you understand what themes and plugins are for. So themes are responsible for the design part of your website, and plugins are responsible for adding new functionalities to your website. So that's all for now.